Let's discuss third question in exercise 13.1. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeters. We know cone shape. This is the cone. Cone has one curved surface. This is the curved surface, and below this one is the flat surface. Cone has one curved surface and one flat surface. Radius is 3.5 centimeters. Mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. We know hemisphere. This is the hemisphere. Hemisphere has same radius. Radius of the cone is 3.5. Same radius means 3.5 centimeters. Okay. Here cone is mounted on hemisphere. Okay. Cone is above the hemisphere. See this toy. Here this toy in the shape of cone and cone mounted on hemisphere. Okay. Above part is cone, below one is hemisphere. See, hemisphere has one curved surface and one flat surface. See this toy. Here toy has above part is curved surface and below one is curved surface. There is no flat surfaces. Okay, only curved surface. Curved surface of cone and curved surface of hemisphere. Okay, this is the toy. Toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeters mounted on a hemisphere. Mounted on a hemisphere of radius, same radius. Here to here, radius is 3.5 centimeters. Clear? The total height of the toy. Total height of the toy is given 15.5 centimeters. Find the total surface area of toy. Therefore, total surface area of toy equal to curved surface area of cone and curved surface area of hemisphere. What is the definition for surface area? The area or region occupied by the object. Surface area is nothing but the area or region occupied by the surface of the object. Clear? Here see this toy has two curved surface. There is no flat surfaces. Okay, so total surface area of toy equal to curved surface area above part. Curved surface area, short form is CSA, of cone plus below one curved surface area of hemisphere. What is the formula for curved surface area of cone? Pi or L. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Pi 22/7. Radius of the cone is given 3.5 centimeters. 3.5. Write it as 7/2. L is nothing but slant length. L is equal to slant length. Height of the, what is the height of the cone? L equal to root over h square plus r square. H is height of the cone. What is height of the cone? Total toy. Total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeters and up to here 3.5. So height of the cone h equal to 15.5 minus 3.5, it is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, here to here, hemisphere radius is 3.5 centimeters. Then what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone equal to 15.5 minus 3.5, it is 12 centimeters. L equal to 12 square plus r square. Radius of the cone is 3.5. 3.5 write it as 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, L equal to root over 12 square plus 7 by 2 whole square. 12 square is 144. 7 square is 49. 2 square is 4. Take LCM. 144 into 4 plus 49. 144 into 4 is 576 plus 49 by 4, it is equal to 576 plus 49 is 625 by 4. Slant length L equal to 25 by 2. Okay, L equal to 25 by 2. 2 into pi value 22 by 7, r square is 3.5. 3.5 write it as 7 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 7. 7 get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 11s. Finally 11 into 25 by 2 plus here 7 ones, 1 time. 2 to get cancelled, remaining 22 into 7 by 2. 2 ones, 2 11s. 11 into 25 is 275 by 2 plus 11 into 7, 77, which is equal to, take LCM 275 plus 77 into 2 is 154. 275 plus 154, 429 by 2 centimeter square. Simplify. 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 4s, 0.5. 214.5 centimeter square. Therefore, surface area of toy equal to 214.5 centimeter square.